How does your morning usually start? A cup of coffee, a rushed donut, or worse, skipping breakfast altogether? Don't let your body run like a phone that hasn't been charged. In this video, I'm giving you 7 easy, quick, and delicious breakfast ideas, one for each day of the week. And most importantly, they're nutrient-packed and seriously healthy. Perfect for busy people, like you, like me, like everyone racing a deadline every morning. Monday is back to work day, so let's start with something that doesn't require too much thinking. And that is overnight oats with mixed berries. You'll want to prep this the night before. Here's what you'll need. Rolled oats, plant-based milk, like almond or oat milk, chia seeds, mixed berries, blueberries or raspberries work great, maple syrup or honey, your sweetener of choice. Super simple to make. Just mix everything in a jar. Give it a little shake. Like you're remixing a song, then pop it in the fridge. In the morning, boom. Breakfast is ready to go. This one's packed with fiber, omega-3s, anti-inflammatory goodness, and keeps you full for hours. And honestly, no one can feel sad while eating blueberries, right? Tuesday morning calls for something warm and savory. Veggie stuffed omelette with toasted whole grain bread. Simple, but seriously satisfying. Here's what you'll need. 2 eggs, bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, and spinach. Whole grain bread, seasonings, salt, pepper, and a little olive oil. Eggs are a gold standard source of protein, great for maintaining muscle and keeping your weight in check. Pair them with antioxidant-rich veggies and complex carbs from whole grain bread, and you've got a combo that keeps you focused in the morning and full till lunch. It's Wednesday morning, halfway through the week. Your energy's fading, coffee's no longer doing its job. Time to bring in the Green Warrior, a protein-packed green smoothie to save the day. Here's what you'll need. A frozen ripe banana, a handful of spinach, nut butter like almond or peanut butter, almond milk, protein powder. Just toss everything into a blender, hit that button, and boom, you've got a smoothie that's silky, tasty, and loaded with goodness. Fiber, healthy fats, protein, and iron. Enough to power you through to 5 p.m. without, snapping at your coworkers from hanger. Thursday's breakfast is peanut butter banana burrito. This one's for anyone who wants something that's both delicious and packed with clean energy. You'll need a whole wheat tortilla, natural peanut butter, sliced banana, optional, a sprinkle of cinnamon and ground flax seeds. Spread the peanut butter on the tortilla, layer the banana slices, sprinkle the extras, then roll it up. This burrito delivers steady, long-lasting energy thanks to healthy fats and slow-digesting carbs. Take a bite and you'll realize, sometimes, simple really is best. Friday morning. You need a little mood boost, so let's go with yogurt smoothie with granola and fresh fruit. Ingredients: unsweetened yogurt, banana or mango, a splash of plant-based milk for easier blending, low-sugar granola, fresh fruit strawberries, kiwi, or blueberries. Just blend for 1 minute, take 30 seconds to make it pretty. And boom, breakfast that looks straight out of a food magazine. Yogurt supports digestion, granola gives you carbs for energy, and the fruit? A vitamin-packed beauty bonus, glow from the inside out. It's the weekend. Time to slow down and treat yourself right. Today's recipe: sweet potato toast with avocado and egg. Sounds like healthy vibes already, doesn't it? You'll need steamed or microwaved sweet potato, sliced, mashed avocado, a boiled or fried egg, seasoning, pepper and chili flakes, if you like a little kick. Use sweet potato slices instead of bread. It's gluten-free, high in fiber, and naturally sweet. The avocado brings in good fats, the egg adds protein, and the whole thing keeps you full, but feeling light and energized. And finally, Sunday breakfast. Sunday is made for relaxing. So your breakfast should be cool, light, and totally chill. Let me introduce chia pudding with mango and coconut. The ingredients couldn't be simpler. Chia seeds soaked overnight in unsweetened coconut milk. Ripe mango diced. Shredded coconut. Just mix the pudding the night before, and in the morning, top it with mango and coconut. Done. This dish is packed with omega-3s, fiber, and vitamin C. Great for your skin, your heart, and your mood. Eat it by a sunny window, and you might just feel like you're at a 5-star resort. And just like that, you've got your breakfast game covered for all 7 days of the week. No more stressing over what to eat tomorrow morning. These breakfasts hit all 4 golden rules: quick, easy, nutritious, and healthy. And the best part? You can tweak them to fit your style: vegan, gluten-free, low sugar, totally flexible. See? Just 10 minutes each morning, and you're already taking better care of your health than 90% of the people around you. Small habit, big win. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss out on more healthy eating tips coming your way. Drop a comment below. Let me know which breakfast was your favorite, or share your own quick and easy go-to morning meal. See you in the next video.